Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find where the fuses relays for the fuel pump are located on Jeep Cherokee generation from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain guys about that. There might be some minor differences for the years, we'll talk about that as well. And if you need to buy replacement parts too, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The fuel pump, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will guys demonstrate on that generation Jeep Cherokee right here. What we guys need to do now, we need to go ahead, okay, and we'll be working a fuse box that's easy to get to, but you have some hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. We need to first open the hood today guys, facing the engine here, that's on the driver's side. That's the car battery. Behind it you have that main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys, so you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, now let's explain about the fuel pump, fuse and the relay. If you come in that middle part right here guys, okay, we will need to locate fuse number 43. So fuse number 43 is this one right here. Okay, that's the one that you will need to check. The relay is known as K2, also known as ASD relay. That's the one that you will need to check. Now, another thing, if you have problems with the fuel pump, okay, we'll recommend to check fuses and relays, okay, for fuel injectors and for the ignition switch. The videos will be on the channel if you need help with that guys as well. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.